Every writer has a certain way they write. Your writing style may be different from mine, and my writing style may be different from yours. And that makes our brand unique. That makes your brand unique. So if you're about to use AI to write whatever thing you want to write, you want to do it in such a way that it will be something close to your writing style, so that your audience that have known you as an authority in that field will not be able to tell the difference. Though you can always tell them when AI writes and when you write, but make sure your audience is kept to that level where your brand identity doesn't change. So if you're using ChatGPT to write, it is advisable that you feed ChatGPT with enough of most of the articles you've written yourself without the help of AI, and then ask it to model that writing style. So AI will do its best to mimic your writing style. So remember, what you impute is what you get. So if you ask AI to write anything for you, it's going to pick any writing style and write, and basically it's going to write based on what it has been trained to write. So but if you train it to write the way you write, it will be something, the output will be something close to that. So now let's look at one example here. I'm going to paste some of the articles I've written myself, and then ask it to write an article close to that will mimic my writing style. So I will paste it here, paste, yep, send it there. So while it analyzes, my network is quite slow. While it analyzes, I will say you are a professional writer. I want you to follow the above writing style of the author. Write a captivating article on how to prepare for a job interview. So let's look at what it will do. You're a professional writer. I want you to follow the above writing style of the author. Write a captivating article on how to prepare for a job interview. Send. So let's see what it's going to do. So you can see it. It said Navigating Success, the ultimate guide to mastering job interview. So you can see in the grand theater of life, few stages are pivotal at job interview. So it looks a bit high sounding. So let me reduce it. Okay, still writing. While it is generating, let me see. I'll also tell it to rewrite. What's this thing doing? Rewrite. What's happening to my keyboard? Let me change this keyboard to normal keyboard. Sorry, my network is quite slow. Rewrite. Simple and everyday English. So let's wait for it to finish. It's still writing for me. So now what the AI has done is copying or mimicking my writing method. So I'm going to tell it I've seen a few things that look quite heavy sounding. So I'm going to tell it to rewrite in simple and everyday English. So let's see what it's going to do. Correct. A step-by-step guide to getting ready for a job interview. I think that looks better than the initial. Let me scroll. That looks better than the initial output it had given. So you see, Navigating Success, the ultimate guide to mastering job interview preparation. But if you look at the next one, I asked it to rewrite in every simple and everyday English, so you can see a step-by-step guide to getting ready for a job interview. So you can compare the two and tell me which one sounds quite close to you. So getting ready for a job interview is like getting ready for a big show. It's a special time where you can make a great impression and hopefully land that job you want. Just like we learned from the stories before, there are some important things to keep in mind when you're getting ready for an interview. So you can see it, feeling confident and everything. So if I write something like this, it looks close to the way I write. So that's it. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section.